Yes, student. Third type of chemical reaction shown by alcohol is due to involvement of cleavage of alkyl group, that is the whole alkyl group, RCH2, as well hydroxyl group, that is COH bond. Like I can write here R, this is CH2, and this is O, and this is H. So cleavage of two things. First one what? This one, okay, and second one, that is this is your alkyl group. So from alkyl group, one of the hydrogen, any one of the hydrogen, like this hydrogen. So cleavage of hydroxyl group as well as alkyl group. This is called alkyl group. So the compound, resultant compound will be what? The resultant compound will be CH2, then again CH2, and now the OH is released, then H is released, therefore there will be double bond, that is the formation of alkenes takes place. Now, so as well hydroxyl group forms, we can write here what? Alkenes as major product. Getting? Like we can write, but here to break down H as well as OH bond, it requires particular condition, and the particular condition is concentrated H2SO4, and it takes place at particular temperature. This is called 443 Kelvin temperature. So remember here the catalyst used is concentrated H2SO4, which is also known as what? Dehydrating agent, plus the temperature is 443 Kelvin. Student, reaction of alcohol using catalyst H2SO4 at the temperature gives different type of compound at different temperature. Therefore, you have to learn for this reaction the temperature used must will be what? 443 Kelvin temperature, because in 413 temperature the different product is formed, 393 temperature the different product is formed. Therefore, you have to learn it 443 Kelvin temperature. Here we can write it when alcohols are strongly heated at 443 Kelvin with concentrated H2SO4. These concentrated H2SO4 also act as dehydrating agent. This is called dehydrating agent or dehydrating reagent. So this is the role of concentrated H2SO4, forms alkenes as major product. Alkenes as major product. Like we can write first reaction for it. If I am writing simply, this is what? Ethanol. So ethanol forms what? Ethene. Okay, and if we write propanol, so the same reaction will take place. Propanol will form what? Propene. Propanol will form propene. Can you write the chemical equation for it? Yes, this is very simple. CH3, CH2, and CH2, and this is what? OH in the same condition will form CH3, CH2, and CH2. So there will be what? Propene as a major product. But student, you know that if we took secondary or tertiary alcohol, then the reaction will become even more easier. And now the Sadjev rule will apply there. Sadjev rule, that is more substituted alkane will be the major product. Like here, if we took CH3, CH3, and this is CH3, and this is what? OH. That is 2-methyl propane 1-ol. Okay, then what will be the product? This is work for you. You have to work for this compound. Okay. Now, I told you the most important thing is what? Mechanism. And mechanism is what? Mechanism here. The OH is getting released. That is OH will getting released. Then it will form carbcation. Now, so reaction proceed by formation of what? carb cation. Carb cation. So as more stable carb cation, more easy will be reaction. Therefore, the tertiary alcohol very easily gives reaction. We can change here. Okay, we can write here like we can write here OH. At that condition, what will be the reaction? This will be the work for you. I am working with primary alcohol. Okay, primary alcohol. First step, this RCH2OH. Okay, with what? Acidic medium. Acidic medium, that is H cation. Oxygen has two lone pair. It will give its lone pair. So there will be the protonation RCH2. This is O. This is H. And now this is the protonated alcohol. Now one lone pair with positive charge. Okay. In second step, dehydration takes place. Dehydration takes place. Dehydration means removal of water, that is minus H2O. So this reaction is also termed as what? Dehydration reaction. We can write here the heading dehydration reaction. Okay. So dehydration takes place means the compound, this compound on heating loses minus H2O. From here, from these places loses H2O, so that form RCH2, and now there will be cation. So that becomes the carb cation. So therefore I told you. And now in third step, let it is what? CH3. Okay. Now there is hydrogen and hydrogen. So one lone pair is gained by carbon. Therefore now there will be C, double bond C. Okay, that is alkene plus what? H cation. H cation here it act as what? Catalyst. Therefore it will release out. This is called carb cation. Getting? And this process is known as deprotonation. So this is about the mechanism. That's it.